So many fun new things to share today. Starting out with the last of the stamp sets. If no one answers, will you sing? That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Yeah. No. You don't want to hear me. You do not want to hear me sing. I sing in my head often. And if no one's around, I sing, absolutely. But okay, so I'm starting out with the last of the stamp sets. This was the one that I was waiting for my sample. And my sample arrived over the weekend while I was out of town. So this is the Mini Icons Fall stamp set. It is a little bitty 3x3 stamp set. And on that, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fall themed icons, along with a definition. Fall, nature's way of showing us how beautiful change can be. So this is the first in a series of mini icon stamp sets, you guys. So for the next, I don't know, year plus, I have them planned out for probably the next 12 stamp releases maybe. Each time I do a new stamp release, this will be, the mini icons will be part of that release. So it's fall, so you have mini icons fall. I will give you a hint. The next stamp release, which will happen in early December, or maybe November, it probably needs to happen November, will be mini icons holiday. And then after that, winter, and then after that, love, and so you can imagine where that's going. So, idea behind this little stamp set is that super easy, fun, cute little fall icons, in this case, cute little fall icons, that you could use really for anything that you wanted, but also will work for your listing. Our little bullet stamps are little teeny, right? So this is kind of like the next little size of fun icons that you could use for your lists, or really anything that you wanted to use them for. So many of you have purchased this little set, the round stamping blocks, the clear acrylic round stamping blocks. These I have on my website, but these little guys designed to work on either the small one or the large one. So some will fit on the little small guy, like that little acorn fits right there on the little small guy, and then there's my acorn. And then if there are any that are a little bit larger, like maybe this little, these little berries will fit on that larger stamping block. So if you don't have those little guys and you are planning on acquiring either the fall mini icons or really any of the mini icon sets, I think this is a great complement. The little icons, or excuse me, the little acrylic stamping blocks, a great complement to the first of what will be many mini icon stamps. All right, and then I just was playing with a few different colors today. So there we go. You can see those little icons, and they are, let's see, they are about a half inch tall, half inch wide. So little bitties.